Good afternoon, YouTube. Frank from Seeds and Dreams here. Today, I figured I'd take you along. As some of you know, we have a garden across the street, and over there we have to haul water back and forth. Today, I need to do some maintenance on that trailer. Not to mention I need to clean the inside of the IBC tote out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to move a few things around here, and then I'm going to go over and get the trailer, bring it back over here, and we'll show you what we're doing. But for now, yeah, we're just gonna get things going here, get things moved around. Some of you haven't seen this yet, but I did pick up a TYM. It is a TYM 3025 with a cab. It's 25 horsepower. That keeps it under the emissions law, so we don't need a regen system. As well, it's a cab, gives you heat, air condition, and it's got a 2,200 pound lift capacity on the front end. So that's going to help a lot when it comes to moving pallets around, moving wood around, all that stuff that we do in the winter. Just to give you a quick overview of what it looks like in here. Pretty basic. Got your joystick over to the side. I did put in a camera system. Loader. We're just going to move this out of the way for now.
People, hightailing to the road. Just a wannabe cowboy. Tomorrow another show. I have seen many highways. I have played many songs. Or just tell me what you're thinking. Speak your mind. Ride a fast horse.
So one thing I have to do here is we have to work on this jack. I want to see about cutting this one off. Again, the tank, we have to clean that out today. And then I'm looking at cutting the back of this off here, the jagged edges here. But yeah, for right now, that's where we're at. I'm going to set the camera down here, get this thing unmounted and or unstrapped so I can get it on the ground, and we're gonna start moving along here. Yeah, so you get the idea. I'm not going to sit here and waste camera battery and all that stuff. I'm going to get this thing cleaned up and then I'll get back to you. But give me a few minutes. Well, however long it takes. I'll get back to you soon. All right, until then.
I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new place. To never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum, for all the things that are to come. Take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any The world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need.
Okay, so here we go. We got the container cleaned out over there. We have a new jack put on the front. I didn't record any of that, but it's there. And then we cut off, this used to be an old pop-up camper, and I pulled it out of the woods and put some new tires on it, converted it into a water wagon. So what I just did now was cut off a lot of the sharp edges, anything that you can catch the hose on, make it a little easier to move around, and having a good jack on the front, well, that always makes a difference, right? But yeah, so now I'm gonna take the IBC tote, get that mounted on there again, and we'll get this thing full of water. But anyway, we dragged this thing down to the creek here. Get it on a level spot, or semi-level spot, because if it's not level, it won't run with the oil. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna set the camera down, get this hose in the water. I need two hands to do this. And there we go. This is how I fill it. Takes about 15 minutes to fill this up to the top, but I'm not going to sit here and make you watch all that. We'll stop the camera, and then when this is full, I'll get back to you. Okay, this is on a different camera, actually, because I forgot that I had widened this up here, and I can drive the Jeep right around, so I don't even need the other tractor. So I'm going to back this up over there, and yeah, just disconnect it here. So this worked out pretty well. Again, I forgot that I widened the path, so let me get this situated here. And that's it. I think that's enough to keep it out of the sun for the most part. The reason you want to keep it out of the sun is because of it's not mildew, it's algae. If you can keep it out of the sunlight, it won't create algae. I'm going to try to, I'm looking for a solid black tote that's had water in it, or something that'll allow us to at least have garden water in it. But for now, I'm going to have to buy, they sell black covers for these. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is get on Amazon, find a black cover, at least for now. And that'll stop it from growing algae inside. But from here, we hook up the hose there, and like I said, we water the garden. Depending on rain, this can last up to 2 weeks here. If there's no rain and it's really dry out, then yeah, we'll go through one of these a week. But things are a little different here now that I put the fabric down. Yeah, we're still getting some weeds and stuff growing up through, but it's done. Like here on this section here, this is all weeds growing up through because there's nothing planted yet. She's gonna wait for the fall plant to do that. But I believe we have pumpkins, zucchini, tomatoes, cucumbers. We did lose our cabbage this year to a bug. I'm not quite sure what that is, but Maria knows. But yeah, so anyway, this is where I'm going to end this video. I know it's not a whole lot of fun, but I figured I'd show you kind of what we do to get this garden up here watered and walk you through it step by step. Now granted, I don't have to wash the tote every day or every time, but just getting the trailer fixed up a little bit, getting that tote cleaned out. Today was a good day. I know you're going to see this in maybe 10 to 18 minute video. I've been at this for about 4.5 hours today. So this is about where I'm going to call it quits. I got a fire going down there. I'm going to grab myself a drink, grab myself something to eat, and relax for the rest of the night. But until next time, thank you for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, hit that subscription button. I really do appreciate it.